So that's our sweet noodle sauce made, and you can see how thick it is, how it's clinging to the spoon. That is perfect sweet noodle sauce. There's nothing more satisfying than making your own sweet noodle sauce. Soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, ginger. Now here's a sweet sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, chili paste, now you can use any chili paste that you want, guys, or even sambal olek. Now all we need to do is give that a mix. Dissolve all that in there. So what you need to do, guys, when you've done this, all you need to do is you need to give it a taste test. See if it's sweet enough, because it's supposed to be a sweet noodle sauce. That is absolutely fantastic. You can either do it before cooking, or you can add a cornstarch slurry to your sauce now. So we're going to add a cornstarch slurry. And we're just going to give that a stir in. And that's it basically. Now don't worry about it looking white or anything like that on there. It is not going to cook with any white bits. Cornstarch, as you know, dissolves and thickens. That's our thickening agent for our sweet noodle sauce. Now what you can do, you can actually cook this now and it will keep for weeks in the fridge. This is in its raw state using these ingredients. Obviously we've got garlic and ginger in here, and we've got this corn flour. So this will keep like this in the fridge easily for about 4 or 5 days, and there's more than enough noodle sauce there. Now all we need to do now, guys, is actually put the flame on. Now we don't want it too high, and then we're going to put our sauce in there. It's a nice gentle stir, and flame not too high, because this will thicken into a nice sauce paste. So cook nice and gently, keep stirring because we don't want to burn it on the bottom of the pan. The fragrance coming off here already is amazing. Okay, that is thick enough for me because that will thicken as it cools. So turn off the heat. That is our sweet noodle sauce made. So take off the heat to cool down. There we go. So that's our sweet noodle sauce made. And you can see how thick it is, how it's clinging to the spoon. That is perfect sweet noodle sauce.